How to write with Cricut Maker. Step 1. Click on text in the Cricut Design Space app. Step 2. Enter your text. Step 3. Go to Line Type and select Draw. Step 4. Click on the Color menu next to the line type. Step 5. Select the text color. Step 6. Select your pen. Step 7. Click on Make It. Step 8. Select the material size. Step 9. Click on Continue. Step 10. Select the material. Step 11. Open the clamp A. Step 12. Insert the pen. Step 13. Lay the material on the cutting mat. Step 14. Load the cutting mat in the machine for sketching. Step 15. Change the pen when the machine asks. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.